Audio Vision, I told y'all we'd be out here in the field.
You want to hear a detailed story? I mean a mobile detail story. I want to share a quick little thing with you guys right here in Las Vegas. Years ago when I first started, our company was called and asked to do a couple cars for the Sema show, right? If you never heard of the Sema show, every car enthusiast across the world wants to attend this show every year, and we have it right here in Las Vegas. So, long story short, the guy we called, he mentioned, hey, I have a car, my buddy have a car, and we would like to know if you would like to, maintain and clean our cars for the SEMA show. Absolutely, I replied. He said, cool, my last name is Willa, and my buddy's name is Mike, and we'll meet you there. Let me know exactly where we'll meet up at. I hung up the phone, looked at my son, which consists of my complete crew at the time, and said, son, we're going to SEMA show. Fast forward, a week later, we attend the show. Now there's 200,000 people that attend this show, ladies and gentlemen. So you can imagine it's lit. We're still not even sure who we're meeting. All we know is Mike and Willer, and they're black men, right? A gentleman walks up. You can tell he was a bodybuilder. Said, hey, are you James? Your company Sprayers? I said, yes. Mr. Willer? He said, yeah, you can call me Flex. Flex Willer, legendary bodybuilder, asked us to come detail their cars today. It's on now. My son looked at me eyes wide open as we made our way through the SEMA show. He said, hey, I want to introduce you to my buddy Mike. So I'm thinking at this time, this might be Mike Tyson, right? We make our way towards the booth where the cars is at, and he's speaking to another guy. The guy that I believe we were about to meet, Mike, right? He's flexing, hey, Mike, Sprayers is here for our cars. Mike turns around. It's Michael Strahan. Man, the reason for this story, the moral of this story, I should say, never give up. Always keep professional. You understand what I'm saying? Keep your eye on the prize and constantly keep networking, because that was years ago and I still benefit from that now.